Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to drop ship on eBay. So when I say drop ship, so drop ship simply means just it's an order fulfillment method where you actually don't keep the stock or the item that has been ordered. So what you do is you actually outsource it from elsewhere and have it shipped to your customer directly. So that's what basically drop shipping it, and we can use eBay to do drop shipping. So let's get into the video. So firstly, there are like four simple steps uh, that you need to follow in order to drop ship an item on eBay. So the firstly is you need to have an active eBay account. So that's the very basic thing. So what you have to do is go to ebay.com and log into your account. I've already logged into mine. So if you haven't logged into yours, okay, or if you don't have an account, active account, then create one. So if you need help with creating accounts on eBay, then we have a separate video covering the topic. So you can have a look at it if you need help. So firstly, log into your account. So I have already logged into my account and I have set up my account already. All right, so that's the first thing. So once you have done that, nextly, what we need is we need to find, you need to choose the product or the item that you want to sell, and from where you're going to outsource it, like who's the supplier. Okay, so that's the second thing. So if you have chosen already your supplier, so you have to find out, so from where you're going to outsource it, like who's your supplier. So actually there are two types of supplier. One is a retail supplier, another one is a wholesale supplier. So retail supplier is something like an Amazon, like an Amazon store, so where you can find stuff there and you can just buy, you can just easily like purchase off the website, right? So that's retail. On the other hand, we have the wholesale. So wholesale is what you actually, when if you decide to sell it in bulk, so what you have to do, you have to like contact a supplier or even a manufacturer and work with them and tell them that if you're gonna help them drop ship, and you're gonna have a contract with them, and you set up an agreement where they're gonna that you're gonna drop ship off stocks from them. So it's a bit more complicated than retail, because you are directly dealing with a supply or a wholesale supplier or a manufacturer. On the other hand, retail, as I said earlier, is pretty simple. It's like an Amazon or some other online stores where you can straight away purchase something and get it shipped. So in this example, for this video purpose, I will go with a retail supplier. So retail supplier, for example, like Amazon. So what I'm going to do, so this is my supplier here. So I'm on Amazon website. So I'm on the Amazon website. So I'm going to just outsource my item from here, like to ship it from here. For example, any item, like I might just choose, just for demo purpose, I'll just choose probably, all right, I'll probably choose here this Sony headphones here. So I'll just use that as an example. So this one, so this is the product that I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna drop ship on eBay. All right, it's Sony earphones headphones. So let's continue. All right, so now that I have chosen my product and my supplier, okay, so the third part for drop shipping is listing it on eBay. So now we're going to list this product on eBay, which is pretty simple as well. So what you have to do is go back to your your eBay account. So just log into your eBay account. So now I'm going to list it. So as usual, how we normally list any product on eBay, so just the same process. So click on sell. Okay, so click on sell, and then click on create listing. I'm going to create single listing. So just do that, and this is where, as usual, I'm going to start listing my product, this earphones. So what you can do is simply you can just copy all the information from this website, from your retail, from your supplier website, and plug it here. So for example, I'm going to sell Sony headphones. So I'm just tapping that. All right, Sony headphones wireless. This is what I'm going to sell. So I'll just choose that on the categories. and I'll just continue without match. All right, so it's all brand new, so continue to listing. So now here I'm going to, as usual, how we normally do, I'm going to add the photos, the titles, description, everything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try copy from here, because since I'm drop shipping it, I can copy the title, the images, because because I'm going to exactly sell the same thing. This is what I'm going to sell. This is the product that I'm going to sell on eBay. So what I can do, I can just simply copy about the item description and everything, and then plug it here, including the photos. So let me copy the details first, like all the details. I'll just do that now. All right, so what I did, I just copied the photo. I just copied one photo. I'm not going to like copy all the photos. It's better if you can post as many photos as you can, like in all the other photos. But for demo purpose, I just used one photos. And then the title, you can copy and customize it based on the keywords and everything. So I'll just this is the title that I'm going to put. And then here, yep, I've selected all the specifications of my headphone that I'm going to sell. And for description, I just copied whatever it's mentioned here, the description here. So I just copied that because it's the same product. So yeah, just copied that. And then I'm going to sell it, and my pricing, I just fix the price. So whatever you want, you can just put the price there. All right. So once once that is done, once that's done, so and then the postage details, so select all these information like how you normally do when you list a product on eBay. When you sell a product, whatever you do, so you just put the process is pretty much same. So all you have to do is just copy and paste the description and photos and other item specifications from your retailer's supplier's website. All right, so once you're done with that, what you have to do is all you have to do is click on list it. So once you click on list it, now your product is now available for purchase. So eBay will list it and it's available for purchase. So what happens is next, when someone buys your product, and obviously you'll get the notification that someone has bought it and paid for it. So once you get that notification, so what you have to do is you have to, like how we normally do, we have to like ship the product, like create the labels and ship the product as how we normally do. But since this is a drop shipment, we still have to do that process. You go to print the labels and ship the product. But before you do that, what you have to do is you go to, since this is, you don't really physically have this product and you're going to drop ship it. So what you have to do is, so you know that someone bought this product, so what do you have to do? Just go to your retailer's website, your supplier's website. All right. All right, so go to your supplier's website. Now what you have to do is purchase this. So all you have to do is like click on your add to cart or buy it now, whatever it is. So select the product, select whatever the color, whatever it is. So just buy the product, pay for it. All right, buy the product and pay for it. And all you have to do here now is on your shipping address. Okay, here. So once you buy this product, yeah, it will ask for a shipping address, right? So what you have to do is on your shipping address, you have to enter the shipping address of your customer. So when your customer bought your item, they would have mentioned or given you their shipping address, right? So you just have to copy and paste that shipping address on here. So basically what will happen is that Amazon will then ship it to your customer's shipping address. In that way, it will be shipped directly to your customer. So that's what you have to do. That's the only different thing that you will be doing. So ship it here. So make sure to put your customer shipping address and then proceed with the checkout, pay for it. And here you can just come back. So once you have paid for it, what you have to do here, you can come back to this your eBay page, and then you just have to complete your shipping on your end. Like just click on print the labels and click on shipped, so that your customer knows that your item has been shipped. So your customer will now automatically receive their product directly from your supplier. In my case, Amazon. So Amazon will directly directly drop ship it to my customer. So that's how it works. That's the whole point of drop shipping. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.